Magandang araw. I'm Marie Joanne Armando Arrieta. I'm the Program Director of the Mental Health Program of the Unilab Foundation. So when you talk about mental health, we talk about lived experience, no? At sa bawat eksperyensya o karanasan ng yan, may tao sa likod ng bawat karanasan na pinagdadaanan ng bawat tao sa iba't ibang aspeto ng lipunan. Maaaring bata, pamilya, isang individual o professional. So ang mental health na usapin ay para sa lahat. So bilang advokasya, naniniwala ako na yung ginagawa namin sa aspeto ng kalusugan ng kaisipan ay mahalaga para sa lahat. Kasi naniniwala ang Unilab Foundation na for us to really realize yung full potential ng bawat isang Pilipino, may mga organisasyon like us who can actually help build, create yung tinatawag nating healthier and future-ready country, community, or schools. Pag nalaman natin yung kwento o marinig natin yung kwento na nangyayari sa kabataan, sa komunidad, sa paaralan, yung common sa kanila, yung hindi nila alam kung ano yung tulong na kailangan nila. Hindi nila alam kung ano yung nararanasan nila. Sino ba ang dapat nilang lapitan? Meron namang ilan handang tumulong pero hindi rin nila alam kung paano. So I think doon pumapasok yung mission ng Unilab Foundation. Hindi lang para bigyan ng training or capacity building yung mga tao with terms of knowledge and skills, but really iangat yung pangunawa. Pag sinabing may mental health ka, hindi ibig sabihin that's the end of the line. Ang ibig sabihin namin sa advokasya ng mental health, meron po available na tulong para sa lahat. May pwede tayong gawin bilang individual, bilang isang organisasyon, bilang isang komunidad para tulungan ng bawat isa mag-thrive, yung tinatawag natin, o malinang yung tunay na galing natin, buong potensyal ng bawat isa sa atin. Ang hinahain namin sa publiko is magkaroon kayo na sapat na kaalaman doon sa tinatawag nating help-seeking behaviors. Yung parang alam mo kung kailan ka mangangailangan ng tulong. At the same time, alam mo rin kung paano mo kayang tulungan ng sarili mo sa mga practical na paraan. Yung topic of mental health is still quite sensitive and to some remains to be a taboo topic, no? So working with experts, we learned that there are ways to actually laymanize the terms. So at the core of it, it's still information. We share correct information. So if you want to break the stigma about mental health, we share correct information and we use terms generally acceptable by the public. So if you talk sa school, you use terms na they can relate to. If you talk mental health in the workplace, use words that they can relate to. So I think that's something na we learn from experts. And good thing with our experts, they're not so clinical in their approach. They recognize the lived experience. So I think that's also giving deep respect to the person who's experiencing mental health and taking into their case seriously and intentionally, and in terms of crafting solutions, addressing the problems or concerns when it comes to mental health. So when we talk about mental health and well-being, we talk about the totality, the wholeness of the person. So if you want to have productive employees, delivering targets, results, performance, then we have to make sure they have the support and services to function at their best. For employers, they could look at the performance of their employees. Kung nagdadwendle ang performance, that's something that they have to look into kasi may effects sa business, may effects sa organization. So for us to take care of our business, we have to take care of our people because they're doing the magnificent work behind all the matrices that we're putting out there. Behind the success of these organizations are really people. So we have to really make sure that we take care of them, we nurture them. The same principle that we want to be seen. Kaya lang kasi when you're experiencing something that makes you feel bad, you feel alone. There's that emotional isolation there. So, and you felt like may bubble ka, so nag-iisa ka. And at times, nadidrain ka. So you don't have the energy anymore to reach out. Or your circle can actually do that for you. Parang minsan, yung simple tap o kumusta ka will bring you to your senses. Uy, meron pa akong kasama. I mean, even in the workplace. Nagda-drown ka sa work mo, di ba? Tapos, simple kumusta ka. Oo nga pala, meron pa akong katabi dito. Baka pwede niya akong tulungan kasi sobrang overwhelming ang deadlines ko, etc. So yung simpleng kumusta can actually help someone go back to the reality na hindi yung mundo ko, hindi umikot na ito lang. There are people around me, may nakakakita sa akin, may concern sa akin. I think that feeling of being seen, cared for, and loved, that's something na they need to build that confidence within them to actually help them I am Marie Joanne Armada Arrieta. I'm the Program Director of UNILAV Foundation. Together, let's build healthier and future-ready Philippines. We are here and we see you.